Step 1. Have a smartphone.
I don't got no smartphone.
Well, you're out of luck. Cut MoviePass isn't for poor people.
Oh, I have a smartphone.
Hey, that's great. Step 2. Download the app.
It looks like it's having like a hard time downloading. Do you guys mind like helping me out here? Excuse me.
Step 3. Create an account and give us your credit card info.
Wait, it says you took $90 out of my account? Is that what it's supposed to?
Step 4. Wait 7 to 10 business days and get your MoviePass in the mail.
Please. Oh man!
Step 5. Now that you have your MoviePass, it's time to go to your local movie theater.
Life in the fast lane, moving at the speed of life and I can't slow down.
Now step 6. Walk within 100 yards. Step 7. Scroll through your MoviePass app and find the best flick you want to watch.
Oh nice, they got Citizen Kane. Let me find it. Oh, they got Den of Thieves. Citizen Kane.
Step 8. Check in.
Alright, what the heck? It's not working. Why won't this work? You charged me $90 for this? I just want to watch Den of Thieves. This isn't fair. God, now it's saying no. Now it's saying no account. Where's help and feedback? Where?
Step 9. Walk to the box office and get your free MoviePass ticket. Step 10. Grab some popcorn, grab a friend, if they have MoviePass, and enjoy the show.